All right, so this is a
This
bedroom?
is a bedroom. You have a walk-in closet and full bathroom.
Okay. So this is a bathroom. Right. Okay.
Hallway, two-car garage. The garage is at the other side.
Oh, okay.
So
Oh, nice.
Ooh, I like that floor.
Yeah. Well, it's new.
Yeah.
It's a brand new, right?
never lived in.
Yeah.
Brand new.
Okay. It's recording.
So you do video?
Huh?
You take pictures or video?
Video.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, my camera does both.
Okay.
It's easier. Let's go. Okay, and this will be the second floor, right?
That's the second floor.
Okay.
In the kitchen, living area.
Okay.
The lights also.
It's a balcony. So there's the living room?
Living room. With the kitchen.
And this kitchen is just like the other one?
Exactly the same, just the kitchen cabinets are lighter.
Okay.
Not the same color, just the kitchen cabinets are different color.
Okay. Is this the washer and dryer
That's the
section?
washer and dryer. This is the dining room, bonus room, all things like that. You like the half bathroom.
This is nice.
This is beautiful kitchen. You get the granite countertop. It's nice.
Yeah.
And then you have a little balcony here.
Oh, how cute.
Nice. Nice and quiet.
And this one that you have a contract on is already rented?
Yeah.
You have another one for me?
Another one?
Yeah.
I have one more. This is the third bedroom, third floor. Closet.
Okay.
Mirror.
Oh, nice. Is this just the room or the master bedroom?
This is the next bedroom.
Master bedroom?
Yeah, 200 bedrooms.
You okay?
Yeah. Those stairs. There's the other bathroom.
Look at the lights and then look better.
Okay. That's it. Okay.
Next one, closet here, the linens.
Oh, okay.